So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my little channel. Hit the like button, leave some comments. Yeah. So, I'm mounting the bush, I lose my Leatherman sheath, so we're making a new one. This is probably the easiest way of doing it. Well, there's easier ways, but if you want something half decent, this is the easiest way. I'm using a 2-inch wide piece of nylon webbing, and I have to double up on it because it's very low quality. So what you're going to want to do is you want to wrap it around whatever you're trying to make a sheath for, and then leave a 1/2 inch on the top and a 1/2 inch on the bottom. Once you've done that, you're going to want to sew all the way around the perimeter. You can just use a regular sewing machine for this. I'm just using the cylinder arm there because I want to get some reps in on it. So once you've done that, you're going to want to find a piece of fabric. In this case, I'm using 1000 denier Cordura nylon, just a scrap piece I literally took off my garbage pile. It's going to have to be as tall as the thing you're making a sheath for, and a lot wider. Fold one side of it about 1/4 inch and just stitch down it, close to the edge as you can get. For the belt loop, I've just took a piece of 1-inch wide nylon webbing, folded each side in, and just stitched it to the back. Nothing too complicated about this. Okay, time to test the measurements. Place your item inside your pouch, stretch your fabric over top of it, and then when it comes to the end, mark an additional 1/4 inch. You're going to use that to fold and then stitch down the side of it. Okay, so our fabric is now the right size. What we're going to do is we're going to fold over the top. You can either, honestly it doesn't even matter, just fold it and stitch it. That's just going to make a nice clean edge. Once you've done that, stitch a piece of Velcro to the front. We're going to have to do this before we stitch it to the webbing, otherwise we're not going to be able to get it under a sewing machine. Okay, go ahead and stitch your piece of fabric to your webbing. Stitch down both sides as close to the edge as possible. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is squeeze the bottom together, make a nice fold, and throw a stitch in there. Okay, so the last thing you're going to do is you're going to put your product inside your pouch, put the lid over top, the lid, I don't know, what do you call it, cover, the flap, yeah, put the flap over top of it, and then mark where the Velcro lines up, and then you're going to use that as a reference to stitch your top piece of Velcro on. So there you go, that is the easiest half decent nylon sheath pouch thing that you're ever gonna make. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you think you can make one of these better, tell me in the comments. I'm pretty sure you could. This took me 2 seconds. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.